Hello there and welcome to this room tour of the Rondoval Butler Villa with private pool. This is room category RPP at the amazing Sandals Regency La Toc Resort. Hey there, if we haven't met before, my name is Addison. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations at 𝗏𝐶𝐵𝑒𝑛Luxury.com. Thank you so much for stopping by this channel today. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Before we dive straight in, I do want to mention that in that description below, there's lots of information that you definitely don't want to miss. But most importantly, on our website, we have a brand new tool, which allows you to answer just a couple of quick questions and see which resort is best fit for you. Each of the Sandals resorts has a very unique vibe to it, and by taking that quick quiz, you can see instantly which of the properties are best suited for your vacation desires. But of course, even more importantly, my team and I at Reliant Destinations are always here to help. Our services are 100% complimentary, and we always say if you're not reaching out, you might be missing out. You can reach out anytime, hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Again, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. It's always our pleasure to make sure that your vacation brings you memories for a lifetime. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into this amazing suite tour. This is your Rondoval Butler Villa with private pool, RPP at Sandals Regency La Toc. Let's go. So there you have it. This has been your insider tour of the Rondoval Butler Villa, the RPP suite here at the amazing Sandals Regency La Toc. Here in this amazing island, the gorgeous St. Lucia, there are 3 different properties, each very unique. This is one of the newest of the rooms and suites on the whole island, and I encourage you to come and stay in this room if this is something of which you find interesting. The Rondavals do exist at about half of the Sandals and Beaches resorts. If you want to know where those are, if you like this style of room, this conical structure, and the modern amenities, of course, you can reach out. Whether it's this room or any other, we're happy to help. As I mentioned before, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Thanks again for stopping by this channel. Please do take a moment to like this video and subscribe for endless more content about everything Sandals and Beaches. We'll see you back here on the channel next time. Take care.